with Dungeon Studios. Today I'm at the Akron Makerspace where it's kind of hot in here. It's an old factory, so we'd like to cool it down, and we have some air ducts, but nothing's hooked up to them. I'd love to put in a nice squirrel cage blower, but it turns out those are kind of pricey, and I don't have any money. We do, on the other hand, have a whole bunch of fans that were donated to the Makerspace. These are nice 120 volt AC fans, usually used on my computers. They're 115 volts, 28 CFM, 16 to 12 watts. Nice aluminum case. The fan blades themselves are just plastic. There doesn't seem to be any kind of lift on it. There's maybe a little bit of a profile. So 28 CFM is not a whole lot, but it's better than nothing. That's what I'm hoping for. And as you can see, I have wired up an entire array of them, all with zip ties. I got this all soldered on there. I believe it's all protected well. We'll probably go over this a little bit, but let's see if it even works. I have not fired this up yet. This will be the first time turning it on. Hopefully all my wires are hooked up correctly. These are AC, so it doesn't really matter which lead you hook up to whichever, as long as I hook all of them separately. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to run a surge protector, which isn't really that protected, but at least this should trip if I have a direct short, instead of blowing a circuit breaker or causing an electrical fire. There's no ground on these, which kind of sucks. I'll probably see if I can make a good chassis ground, if we even end up using this. So might as well not delay this any farther. Oh, hold on. Alright, now I'm ready. So we're going to fire this up. Hey, nothing blew up. Let's see. All the fans are spinning except for one. This guy right here. So we have an issue with that one. I wonder if I missed this wire or whatnot. No wire's there. We'll definitely double check that before we put this into any use. And I don't know, kind of disappointing. There's a lot of air coming off of here, but it's no more than a box fan. I was really hoping for some more. Let's see what we got here. See, we won't blow that away. See the old napkin? Yeah, I'll blow a napkin away. But you can see it's very slow. I was hoping for ultimate power. Let's see here. Keys. Not way too heavy. What about even paper? I'll blow away paper. Kind of. There's a little bit of a card stock to it. We'll blow this away. No. See? 28 CFM. Doesn't really stack up when you put it in parallel with a whole bunch of other fans. Really, it's still usable. I don't think it would cover the square footage of the air duct system that I would like to put this in, so I think we just have to find for a used squirrel cage blower that actually puts out some power. I wonder why that one's not spinning. It's probably dead. It might be a dead one from the get-go. It's still pretty cool. Shell's clear. Do it from the back side. Oh, that looks pretty neat. It's actually trying to push that one with the excess airflow going through. And I can feel a draft on this side, so that's pretty significant, but again, it's not significant enough. The main question I had on Facebook when I was teasing about this project is whether or not this will hover. And I'm going to say right now, it's probably a big resounding no. There's not enough power, not enough movement. These don't have that much of a profile on there. Like, and when I say profile, I mean like how a propeller has like a thicker piece in the middle and it's rounded and it has the taper that creates lift. I'm not much of an avionics expert, but I know that you need to have the right profile to create the thrust needed to be a propeller as opposed to a fan. You know, something we could try if we do get a donation of these types of fans. These are our server fans, albeit they're DC, but these ones are a lot more powerful. These things scream like they're a jet engine. Does it give us CFM? Nope. It is brushless and it pulls about almost 2 amps, like 1.68. These ones, I can see the shape of the propeller or the fin, and it looks more like a propeller. There's a higher angle of attack or whatever you call it, and it's real thin out the backside and it's thick in the middle. So these ones are nice, but we only have like 2 of these, whereas we have like 200 of these. So you might as well just try it. Let's do a hover test. This thing weighs like, what, 50 pounds? 25, 50 pounds? Gee, it's gotta be like 50 pounds. Does it give us individual weight? No. Is that like half a pound? Fly! Nope. It is making a lot of wind. But it's more like a summer breeze type wind. Hey, the broken one's spinning. See, that's the whole thing. Everyone's probably going to comment saying, like, if you fix the broken one, it would fly. There's your lift. No, there's absolutely nothing for lift. Ah, let me stick my finger in there again. Oops. Now the whole structure is zip tied together, but it holds together pretty good. My idea was to mount this in a wooden frame, and then we'll mount the wooden frame inside the air duct, or right at the end of the air duct. But with as little power as it's given out, I don't think it'll be worth our time. At least with it being zip tied, this experiment could easily be undone, and I could undo all these fans, and we could use them in other projects. Which I don't really know what we would use like almost 200 fans for. But you can always post in the comment section, and we can definitely have a go at whatever you think of. Well, one thing's for sure, at least I'm nice and cool. Definitely needed for these summer days. It is nice and quiet too. That's the other thing. If we were to use these fans, it would be very noisy, and that could be detrimental to the actual use of the space, since we do need to talk to each other. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end it here. Hoping for more. I was hoping to see this thing like soar, and I was hoping to hear it scream, but it's just not there. These are not powerful enough to do that. But I have a really interesting box fan. Anyway, that's it for now. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Yeah, definitely comment if you have an idea of what we can do with like almost 200 fans. And be sure to check out my Patreon. Fun stuff like this isn't always free. Like, these were donated, so I have them on hand, and it was just my time. But if you join my Patreon and support me, I can do even more crazier and fun projects. Let's just run this out to get the 10-minute requirement for YouTube. We're trying to find the algorithm. Ah! Can I do the Star Wars voice? Hello, you must subscribe. Subscribe to my videos. I don't think this works. The fan blades aren't far enough apart. Ow!